My name is Sabah Yousfi, so I'm from Tunisia, and I'm working now as a PV project engineer at the company UKA as a part of a team that develops and designs also the utility scale solar project. My role at UKA focuses on technical planning, optimization of solar power plants. UKA is one of the strong German leader in the renewable energy development sector. It was founded in Germany in 1999, and today it has more than 1,000 employees and operations as well across Europe and the United States. We work in a team as well for persons. We work all with PVcase. It's easier as we are to share our ideas or to share our files. Before I worked only with AutoCAD platform. That was a catastrophe for me because when I do some mistake, I have to repeat from zero. When I joined UKA, I found all my colleagues work with PVcase. Just as in few minutes, you can also plan some PV projects and make a decision what's the best variant, what's the best scenarios. Before the QuickYield, the calculations itself also takes also a lot of time. Now with PVcase Yield, we can do all of this process, the different iterations of the different scenarios, and in the same time we make the different calculations. I found PVcase is a really strong platform. In a few hours, we can make a total plannings and discuss, and we go to the next step. PVcase helps me to improve myself, my engineering skills. It conserves also a lot of times for you. I cannot work without PVcase, exactly.